Hello everyone, Randy coming back at you again, Carolina Picker. And today in this video we're going to go over what sold for me in the second half of April. Right now I'm still small enough where I split these videos up to where you're going to see days like 1 through 15 of the month and then 15 through the end of the month. So I'll put the video one of these places up here. I don't know which one. I'm still trying to figure out all this editing stuff, but one up here somewhere I'll put the other video that shows the first half of April 2022, and then you can see this video as well. This is the second half of April. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to the screen share and get right into it. Okay, so the first item we'll start with is this Bose Acoustimus 3 Series 2 passive subwoofer. It sold for $40 plus $22.50 shipping. I want to say I picked this up for $6, but it might have been a little more or a little less than that. Next was this Boston Harbor leather suede bomber jacket. Sold for $42.50. This was a best offer. I had it listed at $49.86, and somebody offered me $42.50 and plus $12.50 shipping. This was actually a really nice jacket. It was in really good condition. It did have some little fuzzies down on the bottom of the sleeves, but other than that, it was in really good condition. Then we had the Spiderman 2 movie 18-inch action figure. This sold for $89. This was the best offer. I had it listed at $99.86 plus $10 shipping. It sold for $89 plus $10 shipping. This sold quickly. I listed this, and I think within about 45 minutes it was sold. The offer came in and I just accepted it. So I could have held out probably for a little bit longer and got the whole 99, but I figured, you know what? I think I paid, golly, I think I paid $1 for it, or 50 cents for it or something. I don't remember now, but it was very low cost, whatever it was. Then we had this head mouse Nano camera, I guess you call it, or eye mouse or something like that. Basically, you hook this little camera right here up, and then you put these little dots that are over here in this bag on your head, and you're able to move your mouse around the screen. It's for people with limited mobility in their hands and arms. Sold it for $499.86, which was exactly what I had it listed for. I did do free shipping on this, simply because, and I don't normally do free shipping, but simply because I paid like $6 for this. Or I might have only paid $4.99 for it. I can't remember now, but it was either $4.99 or $6.99 that I paid for this. I got it at Goodwill. And see, I got it at, I can't remember if I got it in the bins or what. But anyway, it came from Goodwill. And so I figured at that much profit, I'll just do free shipping. And I think it cost me about $10 or $11 to ship it, or $9 or something like that. Boy, I wish my memory was better. I need to start writing this stuff down. Anyway, so yeah, sold that. Lane Bryant pants sold for $18.86. These were brand new, still had the tags on them. As you can see there, still even had the extra button with it, plus $10 shipping. Found these in the Goodwill bins, so we probably paid about $1 for them, maybe a little less. Sold this broken Xbox 360 for $17 plus $10 shipping. As you can see here, it's broken parts or repair only, and there was not even a hard drive in it. I don't remember what I paid for this. I think I got it in a little lot. I think there were 7 of them that came in the little lot, and I want to say probably about $4. That's what I was in it, maybe, in each one, because I paid a total of whatever it was, like $30 or whatever. Sesame Street books, sold them for $19.05 plus $8.50 shipping. This, if you've seen my previous video of what sold for me, I showed some puzzles. This was another thing that I did with retail arbitrage, which I don't really like. I don't like doing retail arbitrage. It's not for me. It may be for you, but you know, But I'm glad to get these books sold. So I would have paid, what is there? There's 8 of them there. So I would have paid $8 plus plus tax. So probably about $8.78 or something like that for the books, and sold them for $19.05. Blade Trinity VHS Tape sold for $14.86 plus $3.19 shipping. So I don't know that I was in this anything. I think it was just in a box of stuff that I bought that probably paid for itself a while back. But let's just say I was in it 50 cents. Anyway. The StarTech 3-port multi-monitor display port, $24.86. This was bought on a special. I had a markdown sale. I had it listed for $34.86, and I marked it down to $24.86 plus $5.49 shipping, and I think I was in at about $1. West Bend glass pot 10 10 cup coffee carfe. So for $16.86 plus $8.50 shipping. I think I paid $2.99 for this. I believe I got this at the Salvation Army, and I think it was $2.99. 1995 Bright Man figure sold for $65. This was the best offer accepted. Strangely enough, on this, the guy offered me $55. I bumped him to $65. He accepted it, and that's only because there was 2 others that were listed on eBay, and they were selling for $120, but they've been sitting there forever. I had this one listed, I think, at $79, and so anyway, plus $4.34 shipping. Didn't pay anything for this today. This came from my children's old toys. We were going through them. My wife saves everything, and she was saving their old toys for our grandchildren, and this was in it. And oddly enough, I think she bought this at Goodwill in Asheville, North Carolina, probably around about $2,000, I guess. And so she probably paid like a quarter for it. So let's just say we're in at a quarter. Anyway, when I seen how much they were selling for, I said, well, I've got to sell that. So I'm going to take me a sip of coffee here. I'm filming this in the morning time, so. All right. Boys Cat and Jack shirt. It's a dirt bike shirt made by Cat and Jack. Sold for $5.86 plus $5.99 shipping. Probably, this came from the bins, probably in at a quarter. Kodak EasyShare camera. Took a best offer for $10. I think I had it listed at $14.86 or $12.86. I had it listed for $12.86. Took a best offer of $10 plus $5.99 shipping. I'm in these $4.88 a piece. Arizona Jeans Company came from the bins, so we probably paid about a quarter for it. $9.86 plus $5.99 shipping. Another coffee pot. I guess I'll just call it a coffee pot. Sold for $18.44. This was a markdown sale. I had it listed for $21.69, and it sold for $18.44 plus $8.50 shipping. Probably in this one $2.99. I think I got it also from the Salvation Army, and so I'm thinking I'm in at $2.99. Dingo chopper boots. This was something I didn't know if I'd sell or not, and to be honest with you, there's others listed on eBay for like $40, but I couldn't get that price because I didn't know the size of them. All I could do was just measure them on the inside and just put the measurements. And so I can't believe they sold as fast as they did. They sold for $19.41. I had them listed at $22.84. Had a markdown on them, $19.41. I'm in these a fair amount. I want to say I'm in these about $10, because I didn't realize that they didn't have a size marking in them. So when I paid the $10 or $11, it might have been like $10.99 I paid for them. When I paid the money for them, I thought I could get the $40+ that they're all listed for, or sold for on eBay. I shouldn't say listed, but sold for. And I just couldn't. I couldn't justify that. I might have gotten it, but I just couldn't justify it knowing it's unknown size. So anyway, made about, after eBay fees and everything, probably made about $2 profit or $3 profit or something like that. Anyway. Here's another camera, sold for $15.50. Had it for $18.24. Did a markdown on it for $15.50 plus $5.99 shipping and handling. Again, I'm in these $4.88 a piece. Here's a Susan Graver floral print blazer suit. Had it listed at $28.59. Did a store-wide markdown sale on it, 15%. Sold for $24.30 plus $7.28 shipping. Got this from the bins, and this thing was in excellent condition. Nothing whatsoever wrong with it. It came out of the bins, and so we probably paid, because it was pretty heavy, so we probably paid $1.69, because our bins are $1.69 a pound, so we probably paid the full $1.69 for it. Silver plate. Here had it listed at $44.69. Did a 15% markdown, so it sold for $37.99 plus $10 shipping. This came in, if you've seen some of my previous videos, I was talking about this lot of silver that I bought. This came in that, and I couldn't remember then, and I still don't remember now what I'm in each piece, but I want to say it was about, probably about $2 a piece, or $1 a piece, or I don't remember, or $3 a piece, but it wasn't more than $3 a piece, I don't think, that I was in them, because it came a whole bunch of silver, and stuff, and I paid like $15 for it or something like that. So anyway, so it sold for $37.99. And last but not least, for the month of April, it is a PlayStation 2 game, sold for $6.71, and had it listed for $7.89 plus $3.19 shipping. So I hope your sales in April were as decent as ours, or even better. I hope they were better. Like I say, we're still small in eBay. We've been doing this for years at flea markets and swap meets and home shows and things like that, but we're kind of newer to eBay. But we're growing. We're getting there. So anyway, I appreciate you watching this. Hey, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. That shows YouTube that I'm doing my job and creating good content. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe and click that little bell so you're notified each and every time I put up a new video. I try to put up, or I do put up 2 videos a week. I'm going to try to start doing 2 videos and maybe a live every week, or put up 3 videos a week. But anyway, right now I do put up 2 videos a week. I put them up on Thursday and Saturday. So be sure to click that little bell so you are notified when I put up my next videos. So that being said, I hope you had a wonderful April as we did, and I hope your May is even better. Until next time, I'll see you on the flip side.